Amazon invests massive capital into the Web3 gaming, guys. That's what we're talking about today. But before we get in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. So let's roll the video. Now guys, Amazon is making its first move into the crypto industry, and the e-commerce giant is targeting non-fungible tokens, not cryptocurrency. That's per a Blockwork report published Thursday on January the 26th, revealing the online retailer's plans to launch an NFT initiative coming this spring. Now the report from the crypto industry publication cites several sources familiar with Amazon's plans, who all claim that Amazon have been exploring the launch of a digital asset enterprise across its primary platform, and not via Amazon Web Services, AWS. So the world's largest retailer, Amazon, so far has kept the crypto industry at arm's length while investing and finding success in other next generation digital commerce activations, including live selling. Amazon's entry into the Web3 land space may provide a key boon to the credibility and vitality of an industry that presently finds itself at the inflection point. So Amazon's entry into the world of Web3 gaming is set to revolutionize the industry and take to new heights. The gamers refer to a new type of online gaming that is built on decentralized blockchain technology. This technology allows for secure, fast and transparent transactions and gives players true ownership of their in-game assets. Now, Amazon's entry into this space marks a major turning point for the industry as the e-commerce giant brings its massive resources and expertise to the table. With its vast reach and customer base, Amazon's entry into the Web3 game is expected to greatly increase the visibility and popularity of the new type of gaming. Now, touching on Polygon, Polygon is actually a cryptocurrency with the symbol Matic, also a technology platform that enables blockchain networks to connect and scale. Polygon, Ethereum's Internet of Blockchain, that's what it is, launched under the name Matic Network in 2017. The Polygon platform operates using the Ethereum blockchain and connects Ethereum-based projects using the Polygon platform and can increase in flexibility, scalability, sovereignty, and blockchain projects while still according the security, interoperability, and structural benefits of the Ethereum blockchain. Matic is an ERC20 token, meaning that it's compatible with other Ethereum-based digital currencies. Matic is used to govern and secure the Polygon network and to pay network transaction fees. Now I want to touch on ApeCoin as well. Ape is a cryptocurrency intended to support the development of a decentralized Web3 inspired by one of the most famous and valuable NFT collectors, the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Now guys, Ape is a fungible ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain. It was originally airdropped to anyone who owned an NFT that was part of the Bored Ape Yacht Club and is a cousin collection of the Mutant Ape Yacht Club. The Ape token was directly distributed to recipients' Ethereum wallets. This actually represented one of the most valuable airdrops in crypto history at the time. In fact, each holder of AYC NFT was able to claim over 100,000 worth of APE at launch. So holding Ape makes users a part of Ape Decentralized Autonomous Organization, enabling them to vote on the system improvement proposals and govern the community surrounding that token. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell if you want to be notified. Thank you for joining us, and I'll see you next time.